Today we will be talking about your 4th of July forecast and the risk for storms. All that and more in today's video. Hey y'all, welcome back to today's 4th of July forecast. Without further ado, let's hop into today's video. Here's our forecasted radar. So, as you can see, a few showers off the Carolina coastline, and then Atlanta, you're hitting some showers. Why don't I go ahead and make this radar loop. Now that I put it into motion, you can see we have a few showers starting to pop up over into South Carolina and the mountains in North Carolina. Put it into motion a little bit more. Those showers in North Carolina, still there, very clear. And then more widespread showers near Charleston. Wilmington, y'all are getting into some showers. And those showers off the Carolina coastline. This is 7, as you can see, the showers move out other than basically this weird shape here. So that's 7 p.m. It's mainly going to be a pretty dry 4th of July, so we all got lucky. So here is 9:24, showers near Greenville and I-85, and then showers in very southern South Carolina, Fayetteville, near Camden, Aiken, and Wilmington. Now here's 11 o'clock. Showers stay west of I-85 corridor, and they will slowly move their way over. And most of them might stay stationary, but they will be slowly moving their way easternly. So let's move on to our temperatures. So here's our current temperatures, or our feels like temperature. Allendale, I believe that is Allendale. Y'all are at 103. Pretty hot there. Charleston 101, Charlotte 88, pretty cool here. Hickory, you're at 93, Wilmington 91, Raleigh 93, and Columbia 101, Greenville 95, and that's gonna be it for our temperatures, current temperatures at least. Let's put this into motion. All right, here we go. So here is our forecasted temperatures. Let's go ahead and stop it right here at 9 a.m. So pretty warm over the Carolinas, as you can see, in the 70s at 9 a.m. too, which is actually pretty warm. Put it into motion. Here's 1 o'clock, as you can see, in the 90s over most of the Carolinas. Now as we go, here's 5 o'clock, lower to mid 90s over most of the area. Some parts could be hitting higher than that. Here's 8 o'clock, mid, lower, and upper 80s over most of the Carolinas. 10 p.m., here's 11 p.m. in the 70s over a lot of the state. Let's go over to our forecasted precipitation. Here we have our forecasted rainfall. I'll go ahead and put this into motion. As you can see, a few spots near Wilmington, just off the coast and Carolina coastline, and then a lot of areas of rain past I-95 and I-80. So Midlands in both South Carolina and North Carolina, y'all are going to stay mostly dry. So let's bring this to the end. So here's I-90, right? A lot of rain in South Carolina is going to be east of I-90. Same for southeastern North Carolina. And then here we have that rain coming in from what we looked at earlier, later at night. So that's all going to be west of I-85. So not going to be exactly too wet all over the place tonight for your fireworks. With that said, let's go ahead and move on over to our Storm Prediction Center fire risk. So as you can see, it has changed. We have fire risk near Salt Lake City, more into Utah. A enhanced risk is going to be for Arizona, Nevada, and Utah, and then even Wyoming getting a small taste of the slight risk. So that's going to be our SPC fire risk. Let's go ahead and take a look at our Storm Prediction Center's categorical outlook. As you can see, slight risk in effect near Chicago. I believe we do have one tornado warning there. Let's take a look at the Carolina area. Here in the Carolinas, mainly just a general thunderstorm risk. That's going to be our risk. It's going to be those pop-up garden variety thunderstorms that are going to come through and possibly wreck your 4th of July plans. Now, I'm not trying to be that guy who's going to say your 4th of July plans are going to get rained out, but it's very much possible if you live west of I-85 in North Carolina and South Carolina. So let's go ahead and move over to our drought monitor. As you can see, it hasn't changed a single bit. So we still have that severe drought in eastern North Carolina, and then that moderate drought in most of Carolina, and actually most of South Carolina, and then most of the Carolinas have that abnormally dry. So with that said, let's move on over to our dew points. So we'll take a look at current dew points. So here's our dew points. As you can see, in the upper 70s and all over the Carolinas. That means it's going to be super muggy outside when you step out. Let's take a look at our relative humidity. So as you can see, pretty humid. 74 in Charlotte. That makes it even muggier. So with that said, let's go ahead and take a look at our forecast. So here we have our 3-day forecast. As you can see, not going to be too bad. Monday, 89. Tomorrow, 90. And on Wednesday, 94. On Wednesday, we also have that high risk for rain chances over the Carolinas. So if we go ahead and look at Monday, today, 4th of July, happy 4th of July, y'all. It's going to be a 90 or a 40% chance for rain. Tomorrow, 30. Let's go ahead and take a look at our hour-by-hour forecast. So here we have it. That red line is your temperature, and that line down all the way at the bottom is going to be your wind. And then that like bluish color line, that's going to be your humidity. As you can see, it's going to be pretty humid outside and not too windy. So that means your fireworks aren't going to get blown around a lot. With that said, that's what I'm going to end it on. I'll talk to y'all then. Bye.